welcome to Blood's Wellness. I'm your host, Dr. Padma Ramurthy, and today we'll be delving into the fascinating world of gut microbiome and why it's so important for our health. Imagine this, you've been prescribed an antibiotic for an infection. Within a few days, you're feeling much better. The antibiotics have done their job, wiping out the harmful bacteria causing you illness. But there's a catch. There are a few innocent casualties too, along with the harmful ones. A few bystanders, if I may say. And those are our gut microbes. These antibiotics also take a toll on our gut microbes, are tiny but essential allies that help us thrive. Yes, you heard that right. They are helpful. They are our allies. Our bodies are teeming with microbes. In fact, human cells in our body are outnumbered by microbes. The largest and most diverse population of these microbes actually live in our gut, particularly in the colon. Our gut microbiome is made up of trillions of bacteria, fungi, viruses, archaea, and other microorganisms. So, why should we care about these microscopic residents? Well, our gut microbiome plays a vital role in our health. First and foremost, it helps with digestion. It supports our immune system and influences many other aspects of our well-being. So what exactly is it like inside our gut with these microbes and everything else? Picture this, a bustling city with people rushing around, cars zooming by, and shops and offices in full swing, all thriving and happy with business and prosperity. Or imagine a vibrant forest with flowering plants, shrubs, animals, small and big, birds, insects, and crawling creatures. Well, our gut is also similar to this. A diverse, teeming with thriving community of thousands of different species of bacteria, viruses, fungi, and archaea, all living inside our gut, coexisting and contributing to our digestion, our immune regulation, our mood, and myriad other functions. Most of these microbes are symbiotic, meaning both we and the microbes benefit each other. We are mutually coexisting. They are our friends and allies. They mean good for us and help us in various functions, but some are even pathogenic. But in a healthy body again, these potential troublemakers coexist without causing any issues. They are quiet, they are dormant, because the good bacteria are more in number. It's like having a unified country with good leaders and people living and thriving together. Not much can be done to break the unity amongst the people by just a handful of hooligans. However, disturbances can occur in this balance by infections or our unhealthy lifestyle which includes, say, bad diets, lack of sleep, exercise, or prolonged use of antibiotics. This can lead to a state called dysbiosis, where these normal interactions are disrupted and the pathogenic organisms, the hooligans who were sitting quietly, can take over the reins and create havoc in our body. In other words, gut microbiome acts as a first line of defense, protecting us from pathogens and helping to regulate our immune responses. A healthy, balanced microbiome trains our immune system to distinguish between harmful invaders and harmless substances, potentially reducing the risk of allergies and autoimmune diseases. But things can go wrong if we take it to the extremes. Moreover, the gut microbiome influences our mental health. There's a growing body of research suggesting a strong connection between our gut and our brain, often referred to as gut-brain axis. An imbalance in the gut microbiome has been linked to conditions like anxiety and depression. Now you might wonder, do we all have the same microbiome? The answer is no. Each person's microbiome is unique and depends on various factors. One key factor is how you were born. During vaginal delivery, a baby is introduced to the mother's vaginal microbes, starting the first seeding process. In contrast, babies born by C-section may miss out on these beneficial microbes from the mother. Breastfed babies have particular species of bacteria which help digest sugars in the human breast milk. As the child grows, their gut microbiome gets populated by microbes from their environment, family members, floor of the house, toys that they play with, you name it. Medications and diet also play significant roles. A fiber-rich diet in particular favors a healthy microbiome. Dietary fiber, which reaches the colon undigested, serves as the food for our resident microbes. These microbes break down and ferment the fiber, producing short-chain fatty acids. These short-chain fatty acids are very good for us and they help in various functions in our bodies. And one of them being it immediately lowers the pH in our colon, making it acidic. This acidic environment in the colon supports the growth of beneficial microbes while limiting the harmful ones like Clostridium difficile. The environment in our gut is dynamic and is constantly changing, influenced by what we eat, the medication, exercise, sleep, stress, and even exposure to toxins. Keeping our gut microbiome happy is in our best interest, as this relationship with our microbiome has been built over millions of years. So how do we support our gut health? By paying attention to our diet and including gut-friendly foods like vegetables, fruits, and fermented products, by taking care of the amount of sleep that we get, the exercise, our stress. We'll talk more about it in our next episode, where we'll delve into the specifics of gut-friendly diet and explore other factors too that promote gut health. Thank you for listening to Let's Wellness. Remember, your gut health is crucial for your overall well-being. Until next time, take care and be kind to your gut.